Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, life hack, and lifestyle videos every week. This week, I'm gonna be showing you how to make the Fab Four Smoothie. The Fab Four Smoothie is a smoothie recipe designed by celebrity nutritionist LeVeque. I first heard about it on the Skinny Confidential podcast and have been making it almost every single morning since then. The ingredients in the smoothie centers around 4 key ingredients: healthy fat, protein, fiber, and greens. I am so obsessed with this smoothie. I have been making it every morning since I discovered it. It is not only delicious, but it is healthy, and I don't feel weighed down or crappy after eating it. I actually made it for breakfast and dinner a few times this week. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so I am about to make the Fab Four Smoothie. So have this in the morning, and it's supposed to hold you over until lunchtime. So you can make it however you want, as long as it has a fat, a protein, fiber, and greens. And then I kick it up a notch by adding collagen. I've been using Vital Proteins collagen peptides, but I just bought this yesterday, so I'm gonna try that out. So ingredients include spinach. If you want to make it, you can make it with like almond milk, any kind of nut milk. I just found out that I'm allergic to almonds, so I'm switching over to coconut milk. Juice from a lemon, avocado. I'm only gonna use 1/4 of the avocado. Chia seeds and flax seed. It really only calls for 1, but I like to use them both. I'm using the organic plant-based vanilla protein powder by Purely Inspired. Oh, and the whole point is to not have any fruit in it. And if you're gonna use fruit, only keep it to 1/4 cup. Quick little tip, always start with your liquid if you're going to be making anything in the blender, so that your stuff doesn't get stuck in the bottom underneath the blades. And yeah, let's just get into it. I am starting with 1 cup of milk. Her recipe actually calls for like 2 cups of milk, but I'm using milk and then I'm gonna add some water, just because I'm always really dehydrated. I think it's really good to add water to everything. So anywhere I can sneak it in, I try to. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 scoop of the protein powder. I'm gonna add it on my greens. I promise you, you can't taste them. Like, it's amazing. I can't believe I can't taste them. And you can't taste the avocado either. So I'm using 1/4 of an avocado. Next, I'm gonna be adding a tablespoon of chia seeds. And she said that if you find that you can't last until lunch without eating anything else, to add in like a little bit more fat, and then she'll up your fiber, and then she'll up your greens. But that's what it starts with. And then I'm gonna add some flax seed. And I'm gonna take my lemon and squeeze it. Then I'm gonna add a scoop of collagen powder. And then what you do when you're all done is you blend this up really well, and then add the ice. And then I am going to add just a tiny bit of chlorophyll. I will do an entire video on this and like all my other supplements if you want. This stuff is awesome. You probably heard of chlorophyll in high school science class, and it is the same exact thing. So this is really good for like detoxifying your body, and it builds red blood cells and take the oxygen to them. And like I said, I'll do an entire post on it, but it's super green. And then you can add it to water, anything. It's odorless, it's tasteless. Yeah, it just enhances everything. So I mean, why not? And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add my ice cubes and blend that back up again. These are really good for the environment. I'm gonna do a whole how to go green post. Like, I really like using these. I'll post a link in the description below. Yeah, so enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something and got something out of it. Please let me know in the comments if you are going to try or you have tried this smoothie. Let me know if you want more recipes like this, more ideas, more health, wellness, nutrition things. If you haven't already, take 1 second, just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It really, really supports my channel. Until next time.